Good morning, guys, from Toronto. It's day 7 of our travel daily vlog. Now we just walking on quiet and nice neighborhood from our friend's home, and we're going to downtown.
It's a bit more than 3 kilometers to CN Tower from here, but you still can see it. They're huge.
Oh, look at this mural. Today we're gonna show you one movie scene location in downtown Toronto, and other than that we're gonna film everything like walking tour mostly, because it's not much to tell you but it's much to show you. This building on right side 2 years ago was only under construction, and now it's completely, like almost completely done. Guys, just look at this building. It's so green. This is another beautiful street called Bay, and you can go all the way down to the lake from here. Also in Toronto you can get this hop on hop bus, but I think it's pretty crowded. And most of the time it's loud like this here. This is the Eaton Center, which starts from Dundas Square and go all the way down to Queen Street. It's pretty huge shopping mall center. And one movie location is right here. The movie calls The Sixth Day with Arnold Schwarzenegger, and one scene was filmed right here. Yeah. Another cool viewpoint from where you can see the Toronto from above, located on this Sheraton hotel. This is the York Street. I don't really remember, but I think the University Street is finished over there, and instead of it, the York Street begin. Let's go. That's actually one of the really famous movies in location from series The Boys. It was shot over there, and actually this is prototype of the Watt International building, like headquarter of superheroes. This one.
Alright guys, day 7 is over. We just met Jim Carrey and Cody Smulders. They invited us to that party, so we're gonna go. See you tomorrow. Bye.